In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Venmo to Fidelity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to add your Fidelity account to Venmo and withdraw any amount of balance that you have available on the latest version of the Venmo app. So open the Venmo app, and to link your Fidelity account, tap Me on the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. When you go over to Me, you will be able to initiate the process of adding your Fidelity account by tapping the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you tap on this gear, you will see all of the preferences and settings of your account, with one of the options being payment methods. First, you will have to go over here and you will see the option to add a new bank or card. So choose Add Bank or Card, and you will be able to proceed by selecting Bank or Card, whichever option you prefer. For Fidelity, I recommend selecting Card, and this will allow you to enter your Fidelity debit card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. By doing this, the Fidelity account will be properly linked to Venmo, allowing you to initiate transfers between both of these payment services. So once this is done and you have the Fidelity debit card properly added, go back to your Me page and you should see the option to transfer at the right side of your Venmo balance. If you don't see the transfer button, you might need to verify your Venmo account or add a different bank account, but if you see this option, you will then be able to tap it to initiate a transfer. So you will be able to include any amount that you want to transfer from the available balance that you have, and then choose if you want to do an instant transfer with a fee or wait a few business days with no fee included. So once you do this and you include the amount there, you will be able to proceed and choose the destination account as the Fidelity card that you linked. Once you initiate this transfer, just wait, you will get a notification once this process is completed and you will receive your balance on Fidelity. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Venmo to Fidelity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.